Okay, biology student, this is what you're going to do with your dichotomous keys that you should have prepared for and turned in today. What you'll want to do is find another group to pair with, um, and then you want to submit via Google your dichotomous key to the other group. Now, you only want to submit this part that I'll show you, like on our example here. You only want to submit just the actual key part that lists your steps. Remember, your key should not have the names of the actual animals on here, just their scientific names. So this, you have to give them that, and also give them the pictures with your different species on them. That is all you're going to submit to the other group. So if you need to make a copy and delete that other stuff for the other group, go ahead and do that. So if this was my group's copy, I would click share and share it with the other group members that you are switching with. So what you're going to do when you get that other group's key, so I've now received this key, dichotomous key from another group, I'm going to use it. I'm going to start with animal A, and I'm going to speciate that animal using their key. Okay, I'm going to write down my answers. Okay, I think that A, after using their key, is Ara Macayo. Okay, I'm going to write that species name down. So on and so forth until you've keyed out all 10 species. Okay, when you're done, you are going to show the other group the answers that you came up with. And then they will check to see how you did. If you got all of them right or not, and whatever. Remember that your answer key should essentially be this other table that you filled out when making your dichotomous key. So if I said A was that Aramako one right there, the common name should be parrot there, right? And it should be A, organism A. So you can tell them how they did, keying out their organisms. The final step is each group will get a rubric that just says scientific drawings, dichotomous key, 30 points total. And my group will receive it, and I will look. I'm going to grade the other group's dichotomous key on workability. Questions asked, words used were specific. You could correctly identify all organisms in the key. Requirements. Did they meet all the requirements of the assignment? And organization. Was it organized nicely? Each category, workability, requirements, and organization, and this is all listed for you, is worth a total of 10 points. So, and there's values, if they didn't do that well, you could score them lower. What you want to do is write that group number, their group numbers names. So Bob, Jill, Eric, and Erica, their group, the key that I looked at and keyed out, I would give them a 28 out of 30 and circle how you got to those answers. When you're done filling out the rubric for the team that you've traded with, turn this in, and then you are done with this part. Also on Google Classroom, make sure you submit to me, your teacher, the whole thing. I want to see this table filled out along with your key. Remember that looked like this. So you could be turning in 2 documents to me, or just one big one. Either is fine. So I want to see your key, and I want to see this table filled out. If one person turns it in for the group, that's fine. Just in Google Classroom, click done, and then in the comments, list the group, who you worked with in your group, so that I know who to give credit for when the time comes. And that is it. If you're not done, then we'll have to do it later. But you should be done and trade with another group and have fun using your keys. And that is it.